Evening, everybody. At least it's evening here in north central Idaho. It is February 7th, Monday, a little after 5 in the evening. Sun's just started setting a little while ago. We're getting to the last light of the day. And I've got a McCulloch Pro Mac 700 to share with you. And we're going to make a few cuts on this ponderosa pine. Before we do that, I just got a couple things to show you real quick. We got this new old stock air filter here. And what we've got going on in here, this is a fuel line fix with new Tygon line and a grommet in there. We've got some new carb spacer gaskets on there and a kit in the carburetor. And we've also got a new Viton tank gasket in here and a new Viton O-ring for this gas cap. And if you have to do any kind of fix, replacing the fuel line or the gasket on the tank, I've found this to be a very solid method. Another thing I'd like to show you here is this new dust guard that I got. I got this from the Duke out of Pennsylvania. And this is a pretty stout little dust cover here. Really nice. I like it a lot. And you know, it wasn't too expensive either, so that was the other really nice part. Anyways, we'll go set this camera down. We'll make a couple cuts with this. A good running old Pro Mac 700. Wood's a little frozen, so it's a little bit tougher than it would usually be. Ponderosa pine is mostly a softwood. There's no mostly about it. It is a softwood. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be safe and take care.